Hello everyone and welcome again to our channel, and today we are going to do another unboxing from one of the best and most reputable sewing machine manufacturer in the world. So many of you don't know that Brother has the best embroidery modules out there, and they always produce the best result. Once again, my name is Julius from Sew It's Your Style. If you want to witness or see more unboxing videos in the future, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you will get notified once we release new unboxing videos, or pretty much any videos in the future. So today we're going to feature this amazing sewing machine that just came out. So it's called Extra Tough Computerized Sewing Machine. So this machine looks tough, right? Looking at it from the picture. So it's computerized. It says heavy-duty metal frame with powerful motor, 60 built-in stitches, and it's suitable for denim. Now, how many of you don't know that not all machines are suitable for thick fabrics? So imagine over the years, if you're sewing thick materials and your machine is not compatible with, thick fabrics, then imagine what it can do to the motor of your machine. But Brother has released something that you would love if you like working with denim or something heavy. So I'm going to unbox this right now, and I hope you are gonna stay with me while I open this up. All right. Ooh. All right, so let's open it. Okay, so this is the first thing that you will see inside the box. I don't know what this is, but we'll figure out later on. All right, I'll set this aside. All right, so you have the power cord for the power supply. Another power cord, so you get two power cords with two different plugs. Alright. And then you have the accessories. It's not that plenty, but you will have everything that you can use to work on this machine. So you have the buttonhole foot, you have a seam ripper, and you have 3 empty bobbins right there. You have the brush. You have some needles right here, and a set of presser feet. So presser feet, you have the button feet or foot, sorry. You have the overcast foot, right? You have the edge stitch foot. You have the monogramming foot and the zipper foot. So pretty much you have everything, and you have this screw right here. Okay. All right, don't forget about the manual. So always refer to your manual before using your machine, because it will help you a lot. That's great. Let me remove this thing. Okay. All right. So it didn't come with a lot of things inside, but let me tell you, this is a medium weight machine. So if you lift it, you can feel that it's heavy because of the, the full metal parts that's inside. And that's one thing that I love about Brother. Let me remove this. You have the foot pedal. Every machine came with it, comes with it. Okay. Look at this. Alright, so brother always put out machines in white color because white is always good with everything. So if you put it in your sewing room, it will blend in with everything that you have there. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you the basic parts of this machine. Let me just remove this tape right here. So this machine is extra tough, which means you can sew heavy fabrics or thick fabrics with it. And I already have a project in mind, so what's thicker than denim or what's more thick than denim is vinyl. So I'm going to start working with vinyl on this machine. So we can try that. Right, so you have the quick reference guide taped on the bed of the machine, right here. Oops, very carefully. I want to just remove that. Okay, so if I do it like this, so I can show it to you. Okay, so the first thing is the panel. The panel has buttons with an LCD screen, like right here. And you have the stitch selection, and it has 60 built-in stitches, which is pretty good if you're going to be doing a lot of garments. So you don't need all those fancy stitches if you're going to be just focusing on garments, right? So all the stitches will be here for all your stitching needs, okay? So stitches right here, the speed controller right here. And this is one thing that's good about Brother. They always put this in their machines because, come on, they think about you guys. They don't want you to just sew and sew and sew without actually minding your speed, because sewing on a very fast speed can actually result into, unintentional, mistakes. All right. So speed controller, and then you have the needle down, up and down button. You have the back stitch button. And then you have the start and stop button, which means even if you don't use the foot pedal, you can still sew, which is amazing. And you have the tension dial, right? And this machine is already set to 4. I always tell my students to not mess with the tension on their machine because, it will make your stitches skip, or sometimes it will come apart. So don't play with your tension unless you are asked to do so. Alright? And the handle just goes right at the back of your machine. So you can just slide your hand over there. And I'll face it to you guys. Look. So over here, you have the retractable spool holder. Alright, you have one here, which is a vertical spool holder, and then you have the bobbin winder over here, and the bobbin, I forgot what it's called. It's a sensor, sorry. It's a bobbin sensor, so when it gets filled or it gets full, your machine will know when to stop. So there we have it. It's very simple machine, but powerful. So you have the hand wheel right here. So if you want to make manual stitches, you can do so. So bear in mind that your machine can actually do manual stitching. You don't really have to always press the foot pedal to sew. So especially if you're sewing corners or you're pivoting, you can use the hand wheel to do that. So one thing about this machine is you can actually lower the feed dogs. So if you look at the back of your machine, over here, you have a button here. You can slide it left and right. So if you slide it this way, it will lower the feed dogs. Now the feed dogs are the mechanical part that moves your fabric or pulls your fabric as you sew. So if you are going to be doing free motion sewing or quilting, this is a good machine too, because you can lower the feed dogs and do the free motion. So let me just show it to you. Alright, hold on for a second. So let me just, alright, so this is the arm of the machine. So you can remove this and you can actually work with this small space for, if you're working with sleeves or any tube-like material or project. You can slide it in here and it'll be easier for you to sew. Okay, so the machine came with one presser foot installed, and this is the zigzag foot. Alright, this is used for mainly every sewing project. This is used for a straight stitch, zigzag stitch, and you can also use this for monogramming as well. Alright, that's your normal presser foot. And it's labeled J on this set. Alright, pretty much that's it. There's nothing more fancy about this machine, but I'm telling you, with the feel and the weight of it, it looks like it's gonna be able to sew tough fabrics, thicker fabrics, or thick materials, and as the box mentions, it can sew through denim. Okay, so this thing right here, this is the very first thing that we saw when we opened it. Well, if you will notice, this machine didn't come with a hard case cover, but it came with a cover. And this is the cover that came with it. So this is not bad. It can still protect your machine from dust or water spill or pretty much anything that can damage it. This is amazing, guys. Alright, I'm sorry. I put it the other way around. There we go. Alright. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. I really love these unboxing videos. If you have recommendations or any comments or suggestions that you want us to show you, please leave a comment below and we will try as best as we can to give it to you guys. So once again, this is Brother FS60X. It's extra tough, it's computerized, it has 60 built-in stitches, and it is suitable for denim. That's a bonus, guys. So if you want to see more unboxing videos in the future, please hit that subscribe button or follow us on Instagram, Brother Middle East and Africa, or Brother MEA. Or you can also follow me on Instagram for more videos and tutorials at So It's Your Style. And we will see you soon. Thank you very much and happy sewing. Bye bye now.